I stayed in the cheapest room in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man. My stay at Four Queens, Las Vegas. Four Queens was a partner in renovating the downtown area and creating the Fremont Street Experience. At Fremont Street Experience, the 3rd Street stage is conveniently located right next to Four Queens, where you can enjoy live entertainment every night. The Four Queens opened on June 2nd, 1966, and is named after the builder Ben Goffstein's 4 daughters, Faith, Hope, Benita, and Michelle. Today, Four Queens is probably best known for its low room rates with no resort fees. That's right, no resort fees. And even though this is a budget-friendly older property, it still retains its classic beauty and style to this day. The 32,000 square foot casino offers 27 table games, 5 poker tables, and over 1,000 slot and gaming machines. And just like back in the day, you can still win a car by playing slots at the Four Queens. That's right, with just one lucky pull from a slot machine, you could win a brand new car, just like Nick Papagiorgio.
Jilly from Philly.
Nick Papagiorgio from Yuma.
It's just a laid-back vibe, baby.
Just outside of the casino and located along the Fremont Street Experience is the Patio Bar. The Patio Bar is a great place to relax, chill, grab a drink, and people watch.
It's just a laid-back vibe, baby. Straight up.
Hey, let's talk food. Located between the Patio Bar and the casino floor is Juana Taco. Juana Taco offers quick bites at reasonable prices. This is a great place to stop by if you have the munchies, drunchies, or both. Inside the casino, there's a little food court area that offers pizza, ice cream, and Subway sandwiches. Other dining options include Hugo's Cellar, a romantic old-school joint offering upscale continental fare with a table-side salad bar and a free rose for each lady. Magnolia's is a relaxed cafe overlooking the casino floor with a large menu of American standards at very reasonable prices. And here is Chicago Brewing Company, an intimate brew pub and cigar lounge that also overlooks the casino floor, offering American fare including Chicago-style pizza. Chicago Brewing Company is basically divided into 2 different sections. One side is a smoke-free dining area, and the other side is a cigar lounge and whiskey bar. The cigar lounge has a nice selection of cigars at very moderate price points. Chicago Brewing Company proudly features award-winning craft beers that are brewed in-house. I selected a 22-ounce draft Hefeweizen for only $8.50. That's one tall mug of tasty brew, my friends. I paired up that tasty brew with a brew burger. A big juicy burger served with a mountain of fries. All this for $20. There isn't a pool at Four Queens, but guests are allowed to use the small rooftop pool over at Binion's. My check-in experience at Four Queens was not fabulous. Sadly, the desk clerk was rude and unwelcoming. However, that being said, the total cost of my room per night was under $47. This is the North Tower Standard King Room, and it measures out at about 290 square feet. This room was located on the 6th floor and was right under the Fremont Street Experience canopy and right next to the sound system. The decor of the room was a little dated and dingy. It comes with an early model 32-inch screen HD TV and some really old furniture. Oh, but here's a nice surprise. There's an in-room coffee maker. This could come in very handy in the morning. Next to the bed, a digital clock radio with charging ports. Right below there is where you'll find your safe. Here's a nice touch. The closet is located behind a sliding dressing mirror. The bathroom was tiny, but it was clean, came with a shower tub combo, and all the stuff. The shower tub combo area had a very freshly remodeled look to it, but man, could that toilet be any closer to the bathtub? Outside my window, I had a constant view of all the action and excitement of the Fremont Street Experience. And just so you know, any room that's located next to the Fremont Street Experience is going to be very loud and noisy until about 2 a.m. You never really fall asleep here, you just kind of pass out. It's fun. And people watching out the window was far more interesting than anything that was on that little red TV. Hello, ladies. And now here's a wrap-up of the pros and cons of staying at the Four Queens. Pros: low rates and no resort fees. A great casino. I've always had very decent gaming sessions, and the complimentary drink service is spot on. And great food, great restaurants at really reasonable prices. If you just need a place to sleep that's close to the action, Four Queens is such a great value, and is probably the place for you. Cons: outdated, small, dingy rooms, creepy old elevator, and an unwelcoming front desk. If things like that are a problem for you, no worries. For a few dollars more, you can stay at the D. They have clean, bright rooms, and they treat you like a king.
You know what your problem is, Nick? You're a nervous guy.
Hey there, show me some love and hit that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now and you will receive notifications on upcoming videos.